Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Technical. So in this channel you will find all the topics that are important in terms of electronics and telecom exams. So I will cover all the concepts and one or two questions that are coming in exams, various exams like GATE, ESE and other some technical exams such as assistant engineer or junior engineer. Such examples I am trying to cover in my channel. So let's start with our first topic, that is from digital circuits. It is nothing but number system. So we all know that in digital circuits, digital system is basically a system which has inputs in the form of zeros or ones and outputs are also in the form of 0 and 1. So in our day-to-day life, our calculator, computer, our mobile phone is a good example of digital system. So let's start with number system. The number system are nothing but decimal number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, binary system, and it includes some codes such as gray codes, binary coded decimal, that is BCD, XS3 codes, etc. So first of all, I will introduce you with decimal number system. We know that decimal number system is nothing but the numbers that we are using in our day-to-day life while calculation. So decimal number system has base 10. Now binary number system means zeros and ones. Only two representations, zeros and ones, and it has base 2. Octal number system has base 8. Octal number system is also a binary number system, but only the thing is here the base is 8. Hexadecimal number system. Now in our computer and in microprocessor programming, all the numbers are expressed in terms of hexadecimal number system, such as we are giving inputs, we are giving addresses, we are giving inputs to our accumulator, base register or another HL pair in terms of hexadecimal. So this is hexadecimal number system is nothing but base is 16. So let's start with binary number system. First of all, how to convert decimal number to binary number. We will see how to convert decimal number to binary number. So let's take some number such as 47. So this 47 is in decimal is equivalent to what in binary. While converting any decimal number into binary number, just divide the decimal number with 2 and write down reminders. So I will perform this. Reminder is 1, reminder is again 1, reminder is 1, reminder is 1, reminder is 0, and here reminder is 1, and we will go from bottom to top. So this 47 in decimal is equivalent to 101111 in binary. Now one question arises in mind that this is decimal number which is converted to binary number, but if binary number is given and we are told to find decimal equivalent of that binary number, then how to perform? It is nothing but just this is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 5. Now if 101111 is given, then decimal number can be found with the help of 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. Now 2 raised to 5 is 32. This is 0. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 square is 4. 1 into 2 is 2 and 1 into 2 raised to 0 is 1. So after adding this, we are getting 32 plus 8 40, 44, 46, 47. So we are getting this 47. This is how we will convert binary number to decimal and decimal number to binary number. Now next is octal number. Octal number system has base 8. So now I will take one example. Suppose I will take the number 17, which is in decimal, and its octal equivalent is asked. Then just perform the same process, but just divide the number with 8 and write down reminders in right columns. So here remainder is 1, here remainder is 2. So this will be 21, and it is octal, so 21 8 means octal number is number in which all the digits can be expressed from 0 to 7. So this 21 in octal is equivalent to 17 in decimal. Now how to check this? If we are given octal number and we are told to find its decimal equivalent, then just perform one step. This is 8 raised to 0 and this is 8 raised to 1. So now 2 into 8 raised to 1 plus 1 into 8 raised to 0. So it will be 2 into 8, that is 16, and plus 1 will be equal to 17. So that it is verified. Now we will perform hexadecimal number. How to convert number into hexadecimal number? So first of all, I would like to tell you that in hexadecimal number system, there is some different notations we are using. Hexadecimal number system 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hexadecimal number system has base 16, so that the digits are varying from 0 to 15. These are our general notations in decimal number system 0 to 15, and just in hexadecimal number system one difference is 0 to 9 they are as it is. Only the thing that 10 is replaced as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, 15 as F. So our hexadecimal number system will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. 0 to 15 they are completed, 0 to F. This is hexadecimal number system. Now if we are asked to find hexadecimal equivalent of given decimal number, then how to proceed? So I will take some large number, such as say it is 102 suppose. So to convert this decimal number 102 into hexadecimal, we will divide it by 16 and we will write down remainders in right column. So there is nothing but 16 into 6 is 96, and 96 plus 6 is 102. So only remainder we are interested in, so it will be 6, and again dividing by 16 into 0, because 6 is not divisible by 16, and remainder is again 6.